I'm Julie from the lifestyle website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for home decor, recipes, and so much more. Today, I'm sharing my favorite DIY projects that we've shared on julieblanner.com over the last 12 years. I hope you enjoy it and share in the comments below what your favorites are. We've done a lot of DIY projects through the years, but one of my absolute favorites are these window planter boxes. They added so much charm to our former colonial home. They would overflow with beautiful herbs in the spring and summer, and I just loved the way that it made the home feel and how much curb appeal it gave it. Likewise, these hanging planters in our kitchen were such a quick and easy project. I love instant gratification, and they were easily removable to water them. And it just added, again, another dose of charm for just a few dollars, actually using 3M command hooks. These garden markers are still used 6 years later. I absolutely love them, and it's one of my favorite projects to date. It was so easy and inexpensive. We actually just used magnetic letters that are really inexpensive to find in a children's store or online, and we paired them with copper wire, and of course found the absolutely perfect spray paint to match. And I just think they add so much charm, and they make a beautiful gift as well. This Stair Runner was such a quick and easy fix. It added so much charm without a lot of effort. We actually had thick plush carpet leading to our basement, and it was so dark and dreary and dirty. We wanted to remove it, but we didn't have beautiful treads and risers below. So what did we do? Well, we just fixed it up a touch. It's not perfect, and that's okay. It's our basement. We just kind of puttied and painted really quick and simple, the same color as the walls, and then added this indoor-outdoor stair runner that actually wipes clean with a wet cloth. While we're on the subject of stairs, at the lake cottage, we recently replaced a banister with an oar. It's really unique and gives that a lot of character and charm, and another talking piece at the lake cottage. We had the oar made the exact length of the banister, and it's super sturdy and very, very functional. If you saw my recent video, you know that the Under the Stairs reading nook is among one of my very favorite projects. This was a little more of an entailed DIY, but still relatively quick and easy. Chris built a box below the stairs that hosts a mattress that we had custom made on Amazon. It was intended for an RV. You can give them the dimensions to fit and cut to size, and then we had a cover made for that. Added some pillows, a plug-in sconce, and voila! A beautiful stair nook that the girls spend endless hours in. Doing that extended the living space in our home. In St. Louis, to extend the living space, we redefined this previously underutilized outdoor room into an outdoor dining room. We really took it up a level by not only painting it the same color as the exterior, giving it a softer, prettier feel, which also reflects light, but we added a light fixture, which is super easy to do by using a basket and a light kit. In addition, we made copper curtain rods out of copper piping available at your local hardware store. We were able to complete the copper curtain rods in a nap time. It was so painless and adds so much charm to this outdoor space. The curtain panels were only $15 a piece, and they wash clean. It looks so beautiful and defines the space and makes it a really charming place to spend breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Years ago, I had Chris make wood shutters that added a lot of curbside charm to our Prairie Village, Kansas home. I really love the way it looks, and it still just feels so charming to me today. I love reflecting on how much we adored that teeny tiny little home of ours. One of the things I love about DIYs is you don't have to spend a lot of money to make a big impact. Also at the Prairie Village cottage, we removed over 15 layers of paint, which had accumulated over 50 years. We had tried to paint it once ourselves, and we just thought, gosh, it would look so much more beautiful in the raw wood element. I just love the beauty of raw wood. So we took it back with just the use of one simple product and a couple of tools. This project required a lot of elbow grease, but the reward was totally worth it. It added a lot of natural beauty to our home and really made it stand out among the rest. Our lake cottage was filled with dated tile. The 90s was known for so many things, and among them, hunter green. Hunter green tile wasn't exactly my idea of beautiful in this day and age. I love bright white, calming colors, and I wanted that in our entryway without spending a lot of money or a lot of time replacing it. We painted the tile by prepping it, painting it, and allowing it to cure, and it made a substantial difference. This project is not only great for tile floors, but walls and bathrooms as well. I highly recommend it. In fact, when we went to rip it out, we took a crowbar to it, and beating it and pulling it out, it didn't chip at all. It's amazing. Another one of my favorite DIYs was truly simple, and that was painting the tile grout. Did you know you can do that? It made all the difference in the world of bringing our tile floors in the lower guest bathroom up to date. You won't believe the difference. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all of our favorite DIY projects that we've done here over the last 12 years at julieblanner.com. Stay tuned because we have so many more new projects to share with you, including our lake cottage bathroom and deck.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, ring the bell so you are notified anytime I have a new video, and let me know what you'd like to see.